Hey there, welcome back to another video. Let's go. In this video, we will discuss free video editing software for PC. If you think which software use for start a new channel and edit the video. Our first video editing software is VSDC. The VSDC is free for use. If you are a freelancer, this software is for you. Main features: multifunctionality, high speed rendering, and affordability. But hardware accelerations, adds up, and multicolor chrome key tools, masking features, and audio waveform frequencies, video stabilizations, voice-over functions are paid. Our second video editing software is DaVinci Resolve. This software free and paid. In this software, you are add all effect transitions. This software requires 8 GB of RAM PC and higher. This software is easy to use. You can easily add and remove title and many more. Professional video editing tools, color corrections tools, Firelight Audio, media delivery, multi-user collaboration, high-performance playback engine, 3D tools, Resolve effects, VRGB 32-bit flower image processing, support for 4K. Our third video editing software is OpenShoot. Basically, OpenShoot is cross-platform video editing software, Linux, macOS, and Windows. Supports for the many video, audio, and image formats, powerful curve-based keyframe animations, desktop integration, drag and drop support, title templates, and title creation in 3D. It's easily used. You can easily handle OpenShoot software for editing. Our next video editing software is Shortcut. Shortcut is available as a free open source video editing software. This software is a drag and drop system, search filters, support HD resolutions, text overlay, video editing, and also available transitions effects. Our next software is LIGHTWORKS. LIGHTWORKS required i7 chipset and minimum 4 GB of RAM and higher than that. In a free export 720 pixels, dedicated web export, MPEG 4Hz, optimized for the speed, world class, trimming for fast precision and editing, multicam editing, powerful real-time effect with inbuilt preset, enhanced VFX with Boreas effects. Thanks for watching video. If you like the video, then hit the like button. If you don't like the video, then hit dislike button. And want more videos like this, then subscribe the channel.